Yo, what's going on? I'm Sam Walford. I'm a 16-year-old coach from the UK, and I've been focusing on helping self-improvement related coaches for around about the past 2 years. And in about the past 4 weeks or so, I've gone from making around about an inconsistent 2K a month to in the past 4 weeks making over $8,500. And the thing I credit this big, huge, massive shift in change to is simply just understanding and like having this like correct mindset on how funnels, like coaching funnels, and their sort of scalability work hand in hand, and actually how, and I'll explain in this video, how actually by, in a weird way, making your funnel, your coaching funnel, your course selling funnel less scalable actually makes you more money. I know it sounds kind of backwards, but making it less scalable makes you more money, and that's exactly what I explain in this video. And actually what this video is, I'm just, obviously this is fucking Premiere Pro here. This is Etienne. He's a 16-year-old self-improvement coach from France. And basically, he booked what I call a free clarity call with me. And basically, I just told him exactly what he needs to do, gave him that clarity, and this here is a small snippet of that call where I gave him that explanation and I explained to him how actually by making his business less scalable, he'll make more. Now, if you want one of these free clarity calls, there's a link for that in the description. I promise you there's literally like no surprise pitches or any of that sort of shit. This call is genuinely fucking free because I want to help you. No surprise pitches, any of that stuff. And I'll literally tell you exactly what you need to do step by step for how you to make your first $1,000 by selling a course or coaching or any of that sort of stuff. But with that being said, let's get to the explanation of how making your business less scalable will make you more money.
So if I can ask you though, what's actually your plan to make money from this?
Okay. Well, what I thought about was, doing a little bit of what I want to do, because I didn't follow exactly like the plan of Hamza and all the guys that is giving value online. What I wanted, obviously, to do was to set up a YouTube channel, or maybe like an Instagram account, because I also started an Instagram account, but like just having a platform where I post regularly too. So I chose YouTube because I can give value more easily.
Yeah.
So I chose YouTube, and then from that I have my school community, which is a paid course, which is a few bucks per month, like maybe 20-30 bucks per month. And on there I put courses, live calls, and stuff like that.
Okay, I see.
And oh yeah.
Okay. Well,
I know that that's not like the way you want to approach
yeah,
online coaching and stuff like that, because you like basically you want to have a free community and have people want to get on calls with you. That's
yeah,
right.
yeah.
All right.
I mean, the way I'm seeing it, I mean, what was your thoughts on that? That what I'm doing? Like, what do you think about doing it for yourself?
I'm thinking about it, but like I see the flaws in like this system, like from my viewpoint, but I cannot argue really, because I'm really like I'm basically nothing. So
Yeah.
I cannot really argue. But what I see from my viewpoint is that you have to coach people, you have to get on calls, so you have to charge a high price. That's right. And so for me, it's not really like the freedom I strive for. Like for me, like the freedom lifestyle would be like like to upload courses and put some life codes. I'm not like
What is what you're saying, that like when you're making like 10K a month, you don't want to have to do like loads of calls and stuff.
yeah,
You want
that's
to,
right.
yeah, okay. I've got basically the perfect solution to this. And I think when you realize this, you're gonna just be like, "Oh fucking shit! How didn't I realize?" Like, seriously, I always like this. I get so excited when I get to explain this to people.
All right.
So, like the gears in a car?
Mm,
Yeah, you know how like the fifth gear, the
yeah.
fifth gear takes you from like 100 kilometers an hour to like 200 kilometers an hour. Yeah, but you can't start the car in the fifth gear, can you? First gear, it takes you from like 0 kilometers an hour to like 15 kilometers an hour, but you can't go faster than 15 kilometers an hour. Now, doing businesses like this, different types of businesses are like different gears. Yeah.
All right.
And so the way I explain this is like, let's say 15 kilometers an hour is like 5K a month. Yeah. And
Mhm.
200 kilometers an hour is like 200K a month. Yeah. Now, doing something like YouTube and selling a low ticket course like you're thinking of doing, yeah, it can get you to like 200K a month. Yeah. It's really scalable and it takes very little time, like Hamza does. Yeah, YouTube to like Library of Adonis or like ECC. Yeah,
yeah, exactly. Yeah,
it's really scary because he could get 1,000 sales today, and it would take no more time from him.
yeah, that's right.
He can make $100,000 today, and it'd take no more time from him. But however, like something like that, because it's a gear 5 thing. Yeah, it's really scalable. It can get you going really fast. Think about it. You can't start a car in gear 5, can you?
Yeah,
You can't really start a business doing YouTube and a low ticket course because it's really low leverage, but really super scalable. As things get more scalable, they get lower leverage. Okay. So gear 5, like YouTube low ticket course, super scalable, really low leverage. Yeah.
Sure.
Like there's not much torque in the car, basically, if you understand that.
Yeah.
Something that's gear 1 though, that'd be really high leverage and really unscalable. And that is doing coaching. Okay. That's basically doing everything in like manual mode, pretty much, where you manually get people into your free community, you manually message them, you manually get on calls with them, and you put lots of effort into selling them a high ticket offer where you have to manually put more effort in to deliver on it. But the thing is, it is super high leverage. This is like gear 1, yeah. And because it's so high leverage, this can get you started, yeah. And you put a ton of effort in, yeah. And the thing is, like, if you just want to get more sales, you just do more sales calls. Simple, yeah. So it's really high leverage. You can linearly put work in. The more work you put in, the more money you get out. Doing YouTube and stuff, you probably know, if you were to work on YouTube for 10 hours a day and you made 10-hour-long videos every day, you probably won't get more results, would you?
Yeah.
Videos would just get less views. That's because YouTube is like really low leverage. But with this, you could do 10 hours of calls a day, like I do, and you just make more money. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, another thing, I'm getting to a limit now where I've got so many calls, it's too much. Yeah. It's too much work for me. Like half of my time is just spent helping clients. Yeah.
Right.
And so do you know what I'm going to do to get around that?
Yeah, you're gonna scale, make a paid community,
I'm going
and then you
gear 2, and I'm going to put everyone into a paid group together, build up a program. Don't tell anyone that I'm starting the program. That's like a big secret. Yeah. I'm going to put all the clients into like a group together, and then all of a sudden it's like way less effort from me. And instead of selling one-on-one coaching, I'm now selling a group. Yeah. But the thing is, imagine if I started a group a year ago. Yeah. I didn't have the experience and skill in coaching to be able to teach people in a group. I was good enough to teach people like one-on-one because it's easier to help people one-on-one, but it's more effort. But now that I've got that skill, I can teach them in a group together. Yeah. It lets me scale up. Yeah. And
so
then go on.
You wanna sell high tickets, sir?
And so that's what I'll be doing. I'll be keeping my prices the same. Yeah. But just basically, because I'm getting good at helping people now, I put them in a group together. Yeah. I put everyone in a group together. And then it's harder for me to help them, but because I'm better at helping people, because I've been doing coaching for the past 2 years, yeah, I've got the skill level to help people in a group now instead of helping them one-on-one. Do you understand that? And then you know what? That becomes kind of automatic. I save a lot of time. I'm still doing calls, but I'm doing less calls. Yeah. With that money, I could hire someone to do the sales calls for me. Yeah. With that money, I could hire editors and people to do the YouTube for me. I then grow the YouTube because I'm getting editors. I put money into the YouTube. The YouTube grows. I then sell a course from the YouTube.
Yeah.
Voila. Yeah.
Voila.
It's like I've got that. So the business you want, I'm doing YouTube to like a paid course. I'm eventually going to get there, but I'm going to get there by starting in coaching. It's like you start off in gear 1, you shift up the gears into gear 2, start a program, shift up the gears into gear 3, do YouTube and a program until you get to gear 5. You know, Hamza did this himself. Hamza started high ticket coaching, if you remember. Got to like 5K a month with that from his YouTube. Then he hires the editor, like Sam Harbinator, his editor, blows up on YouTube, starts selling courses, and then starts selling Adonis School and stuff. You know? Alex Hormozi, he, you know how he used to like help gyms and like launch gyms and stuff.
Yeah, I know about his stories.
He used to actually be in the gym doing the sales for the gym itself. He got really good at that. And so he started teaching the gyms how to do it instead, and he scaled up over time. Yeah. Iman Gadzhi used to do fitness coaching himself. Iman Gadzhi used to do the SMMA himself. He used to be holding there the camera himself. He got really good at that. And so he starts teaching people to do it. Yeah.
But like
it's go on.
I have a question like about high ticket, because like when and that's what I thought, but when you basically want to sell high ticket, you have high prices, and so will the people really afford your calls? Like, because when you think about it, if you are a national level students in mathematics, you can, yeah, of course you can sell like a high ticket pricing because like some rich people parents will buy it, and you know it will be affordable because someone's like already a high level. But if like you're someone like me, I'm not really high level, like I'm basically like, and so
Yeah,
that's what I thought, because if you sell a community, it's like easier because the people yeah, they buy like
I understand.
$10.
So probably
Right.
what we would, because you're not stupid, okay, and you are on self-improvement and you've made good change in your life. You do have a level of credibility.
Okay.
How long have you been on self-improvement for?
3 years.
So there's a version of you 3 years ago. Do you think you could help that version of you who's like 13?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. So you have made progress in your life. All you have to do is help the person who's one step behind you.
Hmm.
Yeah. And if you're good enough at helping them, they will pay you as much money as you want. Because if you're
Okay.
changing their life, and that's not saying you're going to be charging a 13-year-old $1,000. I help my younger self. That doesn't mean I'm helping 14-year-olds. I could be helping a 25-year-old who is like my younger self. Yeah.
All right. All
Look at
right.
this
Yeah, I
job,
see.
trying to do coaching, but can't really do it. Yeah.
I see. I see.
You're like my younger self, but you're the same age as me. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you could be helping people who are 16, who are 18, who are 15, who are like your younger self, who are maybe like you 2 or 3 years ago. Yeah. Where maybe they want to get better fitness, maybe they want to get better on self-improvement. Like you said, you're really consistent on self-improvement. That's a
Yeah.
thing a lot of people want. You're probably thinking like Hamza's communities and stuff. There's loads of guys there who are like struggling to be consistent on self-improvement. You can help them. Yeah. You see that?
That's right.
And do you not think there'll be some guys in there who, let's say they're like 18 and have just started their job, but they've not really got anything to spend money on, but they want to spend their money on improving their self-improvement and buying courses and coaching? Don't you think you'd be the perfect person to help them?
Yeah,
And
that's
just
right.
like you want to spend money on coaching, they want to spend money on coaching and courses and stuff. And so you can be the person that helps them. Yeah.
All right.
That's how this stuff works. And then you help enough of those people. Yeah, you get really good at helping people to the point where there's too many people who want your help. You put them in a group together. Yeah, you're now doing group coaching. You build up the YouTube over time from the skill you get with coaching, and then, like I said, voila, c'est ça. It's all good.
Voila. All right. Yeah, I see. I see totally. Like, man, you fixed like my mindset right now.
Yeah. I really see. This is what I really look at. Is like a 10-minute explanation could just go like,
Yeah,
yeah.
like that's right. Because when I think about it, like when I'm alone in my room thinking about the ideas, I'm not really like I'm seeing the ideas, but I'm not really like seeing myself actually implementing them. But when I talk like to you, for example, and that becomes clear. Like that's right. I could totally help someone who is 3 years before me. That's right.
Yeah, exactly.
I,
So
I
go on.
no, I like right now. I'm thinking like I'm stupid for thinking like that I can't help anybody. I'm stupid because like I've progressed for 3 years now. So
You aren't stupid. You've just been following Hamza. I'm kidding.
all right.
If you remember, the link to book that free clarity call with me is still in the description. And so, if you want one of these calls for yourself, after watching it, maybe now you've decided, that link is always there. So, go book a call.